Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League not launching on Epic Games easy and quick. First, all you need to do, try to close Epic Games and then open it again, and that's it. Now just wait, and if that doesn't fix your problem, I will show you another way to fix it. Now just wait. I will show you the first method here. Then just after that, just try to open it again, and if that also doesn't fix it, just disconnect and then click sign out and sign in again and try again. And if that also doesn't fix it, and problem is it says running and then it went back to launch, or it just stacks on running. And if you want to fix it, all you need to do, just go back, open your files, go to documents, my games, and wait, you will find it like that. You will find it like that. You will find it like that. Click on it and then click TA game. Now here we'll find cache. Click on it and remove it. That's it. Now just open it and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.